2026 Honda Goldwing model feature.
Passive safety and crash protection. Integrated Airbag System Tour, DCT Airbag Trim. The Goldwing remains the only production motorcycle in the world offered with a factory-integrated airbag located right in front of the rider. The system deploys in severe frontal impacts to absorb forward momentum and reduce severe upper body injuries. Double-Wishbone Front Suspension. Unlike standard telescopic forks that flex under heavy braking, Honda's double-wishbone setup isolates steering from suspension travel. This drastically reduces front 10 brake dive, keeping the chassis stable and predictable during emergency stops. The engine, a massive 1,833cc liquid-cooled, horizontally opposed 6-cylinder boxer engine. It pumps out 125 horsepower, 5,500 revolutions per minute, and 125 pounds FT of torque, 4,500 revolutions per minute, yielding completely vibration-free acceleration. Transmission choices: 7-speed automatic dual-clutch transmission, DCT features seamless, rapid shifting with a specialized walking mode forward, reverse crawling speeds for easy parking lot maneuvering,